Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the third problem, that is band break page number. This is the page number of notes. Okay, 392. Now this is what the question he said. He said this is a drum of having a 300 radius. That means 600 diameter, and the contact. This is a band. This is a band of having a contact of how much? 270 degree. Okay, this will be like this. I can say like this. It is a band. Okay, this is a band of having this one. Here the T1 T2 will be there. The force is applied at a 750 rpm, and this we he said one fulcrum point O. We can have this one as a D, this one as a B also. Okay, this point we can have the E. You can see in the notes, it will be very clear. So what he has asked us to find out, first what are the given data, I will just tell you. What he said, the diameter of the drum is how much? 600, or I can say radius is how much? 300 mm. Okay, this we know that. First we will write down what are the given data. With the speed he has said 200 rpm. So if you divide it by 60, it will be 3.33 rp. Yes, that will become a small n. You know that one very well. And he has given a friction of 0.25. Either you can say mu or you can say f. Okay, and the contact angle, what he has said, theta is equals to 270 degree. Okay, if you convert it into a radian, it will be 4.7124 radians. You know how to convert. And the power, he said, how much he has given? 35 kilowatt of the power. Okay, the thickness is how much? 2.5 mm. 2.5 mm. Okay, now, and he has given the stress, maximum stress of 50 MPa or 50 Newton per mm square. Once you see the things, it will be very clear. Okay, what he has asked, he has asked us to find out the first a pull P, and what the second bit, what he has asked, the B, that is a width when the thickness is given as a 2.5. So first we will find out the P. Okay, to get the P, see in the previous problem here, what is the important? Here T1 and T2, their reaction forces are important. To get this T1 and T2, first we should know overall T. Once he has given a power, that indicates that you have to find out the T. You know that power is equals to 2 pi nt by 60, or you know that equation, T is equals to 0.5 into 10 raised to power 6, right? Power in kilowatt. I have said this equation so many times. Okay, pi into n. Through this I will find out the T, that we got 167,112.69 m Newton mm. Okay, later in the beginning I said for a band break we should know one equation, that is what? T is equals to T1, that is tight side minus slack side into R. Okay, from this equation you got the T. Okay, you know the R, so I will get T1 minus T2 is equals to 5570.423 Newton. This I will make it as a 1. And one more equation, we know that the ratio of T1 and T2, that is T1 by T2 is equals to e raised to mu theta or f theta. Okay, from this you will get T1 by T2 is equals to 3.248, that is T1 is equals to 3.248 T2. Substitute in this equation, so you will get the value of T1 and a T2 value. I got T1 as 8047.66 Newton and T2 value as a 2477.73 Newton. So I got T1 and T2. The first step is over. Once you got the T1 and T2, the next step is to find the P. To make easy, what I have done, I have shown you in this way. Okay, to make that clear, I have made it like this. This is what your band, which is having a contact of 270. Okay, this and this, so remaining is 90 degree. This is what? T1 and a T2 because of the pressure. This is fulcrum, this is completely 125. Half of this will be what? 62.5, and this is 750, and this is a pull. Okay, first we should know. Okay, let us go for the equilibrium taking at moment O. Okay, to find out the P, what we are doing, taking the moment at the O. So what it will be, T2, this T2 into OD, and this T2 into OD, because I am not going to consider this one, this side only it will be matters, P into 450, P into, sorry, 750. Okay, I wanted to know this. T2 we already got. What is a OD? OD is important. Now to get this OD, I can say half. This is how much? 45. So if I say cos 45 is equals to how much? 62.5, 62.5. This, right? This divided by dB, or this, anything you take, this side or this side. So I will say 62.5 divided by dB, that is nothing but OD, or you can say OD also, there is no issue, OD. So you will get OD as a 88.38 mm. Substitute here, so you will easily get what? P is equals to 291.97 Newton. That is what your A bit. To get the B bit, that is the width, you know that it is very easy. What he has said, we can say a maximum stress he has given, that is equals to T by area. Okay, we got the maximum tension also. The tension we got 8046, 8047. This may be T1 or T2. You just see which is maximum. So I got it is as a 8047.66 divided by area. Area is equals to what? B into T. T already he has given as a 25, and stress also he has given a 50. So from here T is also he has given as 2.5. Okay, that is 8047.66 B into 2.5. So directly you are going to get the B value, that is 64.38 mm.